How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Instagram app application on your phone, and from there you can navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, your profile should appear like this on your screen. Now from here, you can tap on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. Once you access your settings and activity from the given options available, you may just go ahead and scroll down and go to the section for messages and story replies, which should be under how others can interact with you. After you reach over here, you can just go ahead and tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can find the option called show activity status. So once you find it up under this, we can see you're online. You can tap on it, and there you will be finding a toggle option which you can turn on or off for your active status. So you can wait for this page to load up, and right now mine is turned on. So if you'd like to turn it off, you can just go ahead and tap on the toggle and switch it off, and that will hide your activity status on your Instagram. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to turn off your active status on Instagram, this is it. You may follow up this process. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.